what's been your favourite moment of the season and why?
I think favourite moment of the season, although it was so long ago, has to be that away end in Europe and winning on penalties against Crusaders.
It's probably our game against Cymru and just securing the title late with the draw. And, yeah.
Probably last game of the season. Obviously winning the league went right to the last day, so getting over the line on the last day is probably the best win of the season.
Probably beating Ponty on the final day of the season to win the Golden Glove. Obviously my old team as well, so I think it's nice to get one up against them as well. So.
Probably got to be beating TNS at home the first time because they hadn't lost in God knows how many games, and it was a good occasion and it was one of the best moments of the season.
Favourite moment of the season for me would probably be scoring a brace against Penybont Boxing Day when we were 17 in the dark.